Ideal for connecting your keyboard, mouse, scanner, hard drive, printer, server, camera and more, to a laptop, computer, Mac, PC, or other USB-enabled device. Corrosion-resistant gold-plated connectors and foil, braid shielding for long-term performance, without noise or signal loss. Full USB 2.0 capability, including 480 megabits per second data transfer speed and backwards compatibility with older versions. A tough, yet flexible PVC jacket and durable connector mold ensures secure fits and easy cable handling. Supports up to 127 devices on a daisy chain configuration. Transfer files, print documents, connect a mouse, keyboard, share images, or sync devices in general. This product by Mediabridge is covered by a 1-year warranty. Mediabridge 2.0 USB. A male-to-female cable connect a keyboard, mouse, scanner, hard drive, printer, server, camera more, to a laptop, computer, Mac, PC, or other USB-enabled device. Corrosion-resistant gold-plated connectors foil, braid shielding. Give this resilient cable long-term use without noise or signal loss. That way, it's protected against RF, EM interference, keeping a clear signal with little bandwidth loss for high performance. Top reviews from the United States. I buy nothing else. Simply put, when it comes to cables, of any kind, I only buy Mediabridge. I have been buying their products for over 10 years and have yet to be disappointed.